Welcome back, tunnel enthusiasts. In our previous video, we delved into the fascinating world of the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel, uncovering its engineering marvels and the impact it promises on regional connectivity. Today, get ready for the part 2 as we dive even deeper into the construction progress, innovations and the transformative future of that awaits with the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel. The Fehmarnbelt Fixed Link, also known as the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel, is presently under construction as immersed tunnel set to establish a connection between the Danish island of Lolland and the German island of Fehmarn. Spanning the 18 kilometers wide Fehmarnbelt in the Baltic Sea, it aims to create a direct passage from northern Germany to Lolland, extending further to the Danish island of Zealand and Copenhagen. Once completed, it will stand as the world's lengthiest road and rail tunnel, serving as a vital link between the Central Europe and Scandinavia. This transformative infrastructure project is anticipated to significantly reduce travel time between the Lowland and Fehmarn, diminishing it from 45 minutes to a mere 10 minutes by car and 7 minutes by the train. The high-speed rail line within the tunnel is designed for the electrification and capable of achieving speeds up to 200 km per hour. Upon completion in 2029, the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel will replace the heavily trafficked ferry service from Rodby to Port Garden, known as the Vogelflugkline. The Fehmarn Sound Bridge connects Fehmarn to the German mainland, while Lowland is linked to the Zealand through a tunnel and bridges via the island of Falster. Zealand is further connected to the Swedish mainland through the Öresund Bridge, and there is an established fixed connection between Zealand and Germany via the Great Belt Bridge to Funen and Jutland. The Fehmarnbelt Tunnel promises to be a crucial milestone in enhancing connectivity and transportation efficiency in the region. Here are some of the milestones achieved so far. The production of tunnel elements will continue until the end of 2026. The construction of the portals and ramps themselves will commence this year. All ports facilities on both sides of the Fehmarnbelt are expected to be completed before the end of 2023. Excavation of the 18-kilometer long tunnel trench began in 2021 and is expected to continue to the end of 2024. PERI delivered 10,000 of special formwork for the tunnel construction in June 2023. The dredging work on the tunnel trench has been in progress since mid-2021 and is 70% complete. The first vessel carrying materials for the construction of Fehmarnbelt Tunnel docked in the harbour of Rodby on the island of Lolland in Denmark in July 2022. Production of the tunnel elements will continue until 2027, when the final tunnel element for the Fehmarn link is expected to be ready. Here are some of the important facts about the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel project. The tunnel will be the world's longest immersed tunnel, measuring 17.6 km, and will become the longest combined road and rail tunnel in the world. The tunnel will comprise 2 double-lane motorways and 2 electrified rail tracks, and it will have an emergency lane and emergency exits along the entire length. The construction of the tunnel began in 2020 on the Danish side and 2021 on the German side. The tunnel will create a strategic corridor between Scandinavia and Central Europe, and the upgraded railway transfer means more freight moving from roads to rail, supporting a climate-friendly means of transport. The tunnel will be monitored around the clock, both from the tunnel's own local control center on the Danish side and from the rail traffic control center in Copenhagen. The tunnel will be just as safe to use as equivalent routes on land, and the safety at sea has the highest priority during the construction phase. The tunnel will consist of some 90 precast elements, each 217 meters long, 32 meters wide and roughly 9 meters in height, produced by industrial means at a specially set up plant at Rodby. The tunnel will be provided with lighting, ventilation, video monitoring, smoke removal and extinguishing water systems, among other things, to ensure safety. The tunnel is expected to be completed by 2029 and it will cost around 10 billion euros. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.